In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to revoke crypto. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Open up the wallet or the address where you would like to revoke the crypto. In this case, I have a wallet address open up, and when I click under settings, and then I click my profile, and I scroll down, you can see under token allowances, there is a sign, and it says that this person 0xer entity has access to my wallet. Even says to keep your assets safe, it's a good practice to regularly revoke allowances. So in this case, we're going to click revoke. Now this revoke allowance says USDC, unlimited USDC. So this person has access to revoke or to take away as much USDC in the crypto wallet. You may even get a warning sign as well, which is saying this transaction may be trying to steal your funds. Are you sure you want to continue? There may even be a network fee, or there might be an error as I'm currently trying to scroll down to the screen. Okay, now we're getting a message called revoke pending. You may have noticed I had to quickly tap in order to revoke, or else I would unable to revoke this token. So I reloaded my wallet, and then I clicked settings, and then when I scroll down I can still see token allowances was allowed. And this has not been revoked, as you guys clearly saw that I click revoke. So under transactions, you can see I even executed a smart contract. And then when I scroll down to the history on this wallet, it said that a smart contract has been executed previously or after that I just sent some Ethereum. And this is fishy, guys, because you want to keep yourself safe. That's why never keep as much crypto as you're willing to lose in a wallet. Or should I say, you want to diversify your cryptocurrency holdings into other wallets. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe if you found value.